Beli yeskuru goseta myaka 3 agendete gusuka gochia omwerio nigo chiskuru chigendete kweroberia nabo igo kwarigania emeroberia amatemo manene nabo igo abana ba PP2 abagendete kobekorwa chigutu nenjere mukwarigani gochigo soa ase chiskuru chioboroso gosiko chikosoa grade 1 na eskuru ya Pink Premier nero nigo yatwara omuyega omonene litukulia lero ubwo kobekera aboroki gwabo ba PP2 chigutwa egento abaibuli nabo igo aborokigwa nabo igo eamate ejibetana ne skuru yabanyaka bakokerana gotogia eskuru yo ase ebirengo bya masomo gosa morokererie yaberige korwa guchesa aborokigwa mna gutume muri kito Lucas Mugaka
Nomwega oenekiwa ase skuru ya Pink Premier igotoka ase ward ya Kisii Central ebunge ya Nyalibali chache ime county ya Kisii litukulia lero ekero abaorkiwa ba PP2 balinge okora graduation. Baibuli amona bageni besiko banya babikerana ase nsemega nigo banya bakoyetogia eskuru ya Pink Premier na otabuna nigo ere eskuru ngia kigima asane anyarege gokonya abana soko gendelia asa masomo.
Nimekuwa nikisimamia darasa la PP2 graduates. Kwa wazazi nawapongeza sana kwa ile bidii mmefanya ili kuona shule yetu ya Pink inaendelea. Na kwa managers na directors, asante sana kwa kazi nzuri mnafanya. Kwa walimu wenzangu, Madam Eunice and Madam Irene, asante sana kwa kulea watoto wetu tangu miaka 3 mpaka saa hii.
Let's take this opportunity to wish our graduates the very best as they transiting from ECD to the upper classes.
Omwalimu omwane weskuru ega nigo anenanyara gotabuna nigo barachikobeka omukia boko ene kibuna eskuru ya Pink Premier nkobere eskuru entangani imeyeliroba liagusi.
The graduating parents who paid their money in time and ensured that everything you are seeing here is organized well. So thank you so much for the support that you have given to this school.
Omo director we skuru ega nigo anene anyara kubakira wiya abalimu amona weboli aso kubwaterana babera kubwaterana chinga chintambe likone kibuna abarukiwa baiga banyalire bagosuka mutwe.
I know what they have covered and I'm very proud of their work. These babies have been in very safe hands. They are teachers, very dedicated, committed, caring and motherly teachers. I want to assure our parents, like the other time we were here when we were preparing for this ceremony, that they will remain in safe hands.
Tali asensemo ya masomo kam eskuru ega nigo anene yanyarige okolebie asensemo ya matera egati yebinto binde.
Nasumbua ubongo, tenzi zalishe bingo. Moyoni nina usongo, hasira iteme nyongo. Pinki malezie ni shamba lopaliziwa.
Parai amona balimu banyara bakena ase skuru ega igwanende banyara bagotogia eskuru e kubwatekana amona yare byaberege kubakorera.
We shall take some step of bringing more children because I could see parents smile, they took photos and they are going to the house. Watakuwa wanaonyesha na kama dadia kuja hapa muonyeshe na kama mamia kufika mwambie wote wakishangilia ili tuone kwamba watoto wetu wamewekwa vizuri.
Igwanene anyare akubulia abaiboli bandre kubwaterana na kumusira ase orogendo roiga likorokinga abana beskuruega banyare bagusuka mutwe ariko ripotelia egeta seni kyagetembe kuroiga ase skuru ya Pink Premier egotoka ase ward ya Kisii Central ebunge ya Nyalibali chache ime county ya Kisii kuna utambirene Lucas Mugaka.